Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing good. Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest notification of the upcoming videos. So in the previous session, we started with the basics of quantitative aptitude. So we covered the topic number system, in which we saw simplification for addition and subtraction, and in this session we'll see some tricks and tips to solve multiplication questions for simplification. Okay, these are the basic things that we have to know. Okay, we'll start with a question. See, if we have multiplication for two numbers where the two numbers are less than 100, okay, so we'll consider the base as 100. Okay, see in this example, 92 into 93, here the base is 100, so 100 minus what is 92, which is minus 8, and 100 minus 7 is 93. Okay, so what we have to do is first add these two numbers, minus 8 minus 7, which is minus 15. Okay, then multiply both numbers, minus 8 into minus 7, which is 56. Okay, now the base is 100, right? So minus the 15 from 100, so you get 85. So attach that 56 to this 85. So you will get the answer as 8556. That's all. So you will get the answer for this two-digit numbers. Okay, I will just explain you one more question. See, 94 into 96. 94 is minus 6 from 100 and 96 is minus 4 from 100. Add minus 6 and minus 4, you will get minus 10. Subtract it from 100, so you will get 90. Okay, now multiply minus 6 into minus 4, which is 24. So attach this 24 to 90, you get 9024. That's all. Now we'll go with next type. Here the base is same 100, but when both the numbers are greater than 100, in that case. Okay, previous case it was both lesser than 100, now both greater than 100. See, 104 into 112, both are greater than 100 by how many terms? Plus 4 plus 12. Okay, there we have to minus from 100, here we have to plus. Okay, plus 4 plus 12. Now multiply both. Plus 4 into plus 12 is 48. Okay, now add this. Plus 4 plus 12 is nothing but 16. Adding 4 and 12, you get 16. So add that 16 to the base 100, you get 116, and attach that 48 to this. So 11648 is the answer. This is quite similar to the previous one, where that is number less than 100, so we'll subtract, and here it is greater than 100, so we will add. Okay, if you find I am going too fast, please pause the video and just try and see, so you'll get to know it. Here is a possibility where one number is more than 100 and one number is lesser than 100. It is quite different from the previous one. We'll see the steps. See, here 108 is plus 8 to 100 and 94 is minus 6 to 100. Now as usual, add both. 8 plus minus 6 is 2, you know, right? Then 8 into minus 6, minus 48. In previous thing, we just, if it was previous questions, we just, when multiplied, we just attach that number to the previous number. But here what you have to do, since it is minus 48, remember you have to get a positive value. So what you have to do, in order to get a positive value, subtract it from the base 100. So you get 52. 100 minus 48 is 52. Got my point? Now adding 100 plus 2, because 8 plus minus 6 is 2. Okay, so you get 102. And one more step you have to remain here is, you must subtract 1 from the answer you get. So 101 you get, attach that 52 to this, so you'll get the answer. Hope you understand. We'll try one more problem. See, 102 into 96. 102 is plus 2 and 96 is minus 4. Now add both. 2 plus minus 4 is minus 2. So 100 minus 2, 98. Okay, keep this and multiply. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. So we have to get a positive number. So subtract it from the base 100. 100 minus 8 is 92. Now, I told you one more point to remember is we have to subtract 1 from what we get. So, 98 minus 1 is 97 and attach that multiplied 92 to this. So, 9792 is the answer. Hope you understand. Now, we look at for base 200, okay. See, here when both the numbers are less than 200, say 196 and 192, it is minus 4 and minus 8. As usual, add both numbers, you get minus 12. So 200 minus 12. Okay, there 100 minus 12, here base is 200, so 200 minus 12, which is 188. Now multiply both the numbers, minus 4 into minus 8, which is plus 32. So keep the number as such, okay. Now 188 we have got. Here, since the base is 200, we have to multiply it by 2. Their base is 100, so we need not multiply anything. Here, multiply by 2 because the base is 200. So, the answer you get is 376. Then, attach that multiplied 32 to this. So, 37632 is the answer. Hope you understand. Now, the next possibility is when the base is 200 and when both the numbers are more than 200. See the example, 208 into 211, which is plus 8 plus 11 from the base 200. Okay, now add both, you will get 19. So add 200 and 19, you get 219. Okay, in the other side, what you have to do, 8 into 11, which is 88. Keep as such. Okay, now 219 you have got. Since the base is 200, you have to multiply it by 2, which is 438, and just attach that 88 to this. So the answer is 43888. Please practice more questions so that you find it very easily. Okay. Next possibility is when one number is more than 200 and another is less than 200. See the question, 212 into 198, which is plus 12 and minus 2 from 200. Now add both, you will get 10. Okay, and multiplying both you get minus 24. As I told, we need only positive numbers. 100 minus 20, here we have to just subtract it from 100 only. Don't get a doubt, we have to subtract it from 200 or what. We want a 2-digit number, so 100 minus 24, 76. Okay, keep it as such. Now 200 and 12 minus 2 is 10 on adding, so 210. Since the base is 200 into 2, which is 420, and I told previously we have to subtract 1 from it, which gives 419, and attach the 76 to this. Hope you understand. So use the same tips and tricks to solve 300 plus 400 plus or minus till 1000. Okay, so the only difference you have to use is the base. When you multiply it by 2, there for 300 you will multiply it by 3, 400 4, and so on. Okay, so I want you to practice these kind of questions. I have given some questions in this session itself, so try finding answer for it and do comment in the comment box. Okay, then some more additional tips I'll give you. When the sum of unit digit is 10, see in this example, 43 into 47, 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay, and remaining is the same number, which means 10's place is 4 and 4, which is same number. In that case, you can use this trick. See, the same number 4 into next number of 4 is 5, right? So 4 into 5, which is 20, and on the other side multiply 3 into 7, which is 21. So attaching both, you get 20, 21. If you can't remember this method, just I have given the formula. I don't want you to use the formula all, just understand. See, common number is 4, next number of 4 is 5, that is 4 plus 1. Okay, 5, and multiply both. 4 into 5 is 20, and the remaining 3 into 7 multiply both, which is 21, 20, 21. Okay, here the vice versa, that is sum of 10's digit is 10 and unit digit is same. See, unit digit is 6 and 10's digit is when you add, you get 10. Okay, in that case, what you have to do first, that unit digit 6 into 6, keep it separately. Okay, 36. Okay, now 4 into 6. Okay, that is 10's digit, 4 into 6 plus that common term 6. Okay, this is how you have to do here. Okay, so 24 plus 6, divided, not divided by, and the other side is 36. So 30, 36. Next case when unit digit is 5 in both and difference between both number is 10. In that case, see, unit digit is 5 and when you subtract the both the number you get 10, right? 105 minus 95, which is 10. Okay, in that case always remember 5, when you have unit place 5 and the difference is 10, your last two numbers will be 75. So keep 75 at the end. Now take the lowest number in it. See, 9 is the lowest number, so 9, and the highest number is 10. 10 plus 1, so 9 into 10 plus 1, so 9 into 11, which is 99, and attach that 75 to this. Okay, hope you understand. Try more problems so you'll get to know. See, some more tricks. See, 25 is nothing but 5 square. So you can use it in some questions, or you can say it as 25 is 100 divided by 2 power 2, which is 100 divided by 4, which is 25. Okay. Similarly, you can use 125 as 5 cube, or 1000 divided by 2 cube, which is 1000 divided by 8. 625 you can use it as 5 power 4, or 10,000 divided by 2 power 4, which is 16. So 10,000 by 16. See, this is how you have to use. See, 192 into 625, you cannot sit and multiply whole thing. So instead you can do 195 into 10,000 divided by 16. So we know 16 12s are 192. So 12 into 10,000, which is quite easy. 12 1,20,000. Okay, next question also. See, 25 you can write it as 100 by 4. So 4 and 84 cancels by 21. So 21 into 100, 2,100. So here I have given you some trial problems. Try this and do give your answers in the comment box. Try more questions so that you will find it very easily how to solve it, and do practice more questions. Thank you. Keep supporting.